My name's David Fierstein. I'm the owner of Powercall Emergency Sirens, the Fierstein brand. Today I'm here to announce the release of the Powercall GE-6. As of November 27th, 2018, Powercall Sirens is proud to offer the second emergency siren that is powered by an internal flash drive. Powercall Sirens is the first siren company in the nation to offer a USB flash-driven emergency siren versus the normal technology that you have seen over the years. The Powercall GE-6 is a small unit that runs one tone, that runs 100 watts, and it comes preloaded with the original Powercall warble tone. Now, most of you are familiar. Over the last 10 to 15 years, we've had multiple different sirens available that have a Powercall tone that sounds like the Powercall. This is an actual sound from an actual GE Powercall siren, which you can see right over there if you look hard enough. This is an actual tone that comes directly from a General Electric siren. It is a 30-minute looping sound, so when you run this unit, you'll never hear a break in the unit unless you run a 30-minute run, which basically then it just repeats itself immediately, so you'll never notice a break in the siren. Once again, we are the leader in USB flash-driven emergency sirens, and I'm proud to announce that the GE-6 is now in stock and available. We have priced this unit and built this unit to compete. This unit is only $169.99. The reason it is inexpensive is because we are using a flash-driven technology, and it is a very easy hookup. As you can see on the front here, you have a number of different terminals. The easiest way to hook up this unit, which runs 100 watts only for one siren speaker, is to hook up power and ground with a switch in line with your ground wire, and then hook up your speaker. So every time you've put power to this unit, the Powercall siren tone immediately comes on. This is a fantastic way to get the original General Electric warble tone in an inexpensive unit for only $169.99. The unit comes with the module that you see here. It comes with a fusible link with 2 fuses. It comes with all the wire that you need. It comes with an on-off switch for your power, and it also comes with a momentary switch, which we will be releasing in the future, which you don't normally have to use right now. These are available on our website at powercallsirens.com. Here is a short video to show you how the unit sounds when you're going down the road using the Powercall demo vehicle. If you are interested in one of these, they are available immediately. You can purchase them on powercallsirens.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop us an email to support@powercallsirens.com. We are happy to announce that this unit is in stock and ready for sale. Thank you so much for your interest, and thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day. Now that you've seen the video, the GE-6 is the best way to get the Powercall emergency siren tone if you're just looking for a single tone. This unit I have priced and I have built to compete. It is $169.99. That is super cheap for a Powercall emergency siren, especially when it's running the actual GE warble tone. They are available now on our website. Remember, Powercall Sirens, the Fierstein brand, that is the only way to go to get your Powercall siren. It's got a 2-year parts warranty on it. It is available with or without a speaker. If you purchase a speaker and the siren together, it'll give you $10 off. They are available now on powercallsirens.com. Remember, when you're buying a siren, when you're buying a Powercall siren, don't buy the imitations. Always go with the Fierstein brand. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Be safe.